Hi, my dear students. Here the problem taken from the 10th standard trigonometry chapter CBSE pattern. Prove that cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square equals 1 minus cos theta over 1 plus cos theta. Here for this cosecant theta, I want to take the reciprocal. Cosecant theta, reciprocal cosecant theta 1 by sin theta. Here cot theta can be expressed as cos theta by sin theta. Okay, here substitute here. Cosecant theta means that is 1 by sin theta minus cot theta can be expressed as cos theta by sin theta. Here what that whole square, don't forget. Okay, here sin theta is the LCM. Sin theta is the LCM. In the numerator 1 minus cos theta you have to consider. For this squares to be taken, here apply that power for both numerator and denominator. Here 1 minus cos theta whole square divisible by sin square theta. Here for sin square theta, you may use the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. I need sin square theta. Cos square theta is transposed. Then what thing obtain? Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Here it is taken as a what? 1 square minus cos square theta. You may use the relation a square minus b square is equivalent to a plus b into a minus b. Then what thing happening? It can be done as 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Okay. Here in the denominator, okay, what to write? Sin square theta can be done as 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. In the numerator, here power 2 is there. I want to write 2 times. 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Here we may reduce 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus divided. What is the remaining? That is 1 minus cos theta divisible by 1 plus cos theta. This is the only you have to prove. So what the proof getting? 1 minus cos theta or 1 plus cos theta we got. Anyway, thank you for watching my class. Please subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.